Snapchat has been in the news lately, and not for the reasons they would have hoped. The social media platform has launched a new AI chatbot powered by OpenAI's GPT technology, called My AI, that allows users to ask it questions and get instant responses. However, since its launch last week, the app has seen a spike in negative reviews, with many users panning the feature and calling for its removal. While the addition of an AI chatbot may seem like a logical step for Snapchat given the growing demand for automation and efficiency in today's world, it appears that users are not particularly impressed with the performance of My AI. Many have taken to social media to voice their complaints, calling the chatbot useless and unhelpful. Snapchat has always been known as a platform that values user feedback and is quick to make updates and changes based on their suggestions. So it is not surprising that the company has promised to look into these complaints and make any necessary changes to improve the user experience. In fact, some reports suggest that Snapchat has already started working on improving the chatbot's responses to better serve its users. On the other hand, some experts argue that the negative feedback towards My AI might reflect larger issues with AI chatbots and their limitations. While AI technology has come a long way in recent years, it is still far from perfect and can struggle with understanding human language, context, and nuance. Additionally, AI chatbots rely heavily on data sets, which can lead to biases and inaccuracies if not designed and implemented correctly. The rise of AI-powered chatbots in the tech industry has been met with both excitement and skepticism. On one hand, many believe that AI chatbots can help businesses and individuals save time and money by automating repetitive tasks and providing instant assistance. On the other hand, some worry about the potential consequences of relying too heavily on AI chatbots, such as job loss and the erosion of human skills like critical thinking and problem-solving. Despite these concerns, it seems that AI-powered chatbots are here to stay. With advancements in natural language processing and machine learning, AI chatbots are becoming more sophisticated and better able to understand and respond to user inquiries. However, as the negative feedback towards Snapchat's My AI feature shows, there is still much work to be done to ensure that these chatbots provide a seamless and useful experience for users. One solution to this problem may be to combine AI chatbots with human support. By having human agents available to take over when AI chatbots are unable to provide satisfactory answers, businesses can ensure that their customers receive the best possible support. This hybrid approach has already been adopted by some companies, such as chatbot platform TARS, which allows businesses to integrate human agents into its chatbot conversations. Another option is to focus on designing AI chatbots that are more specialized and tailored to specific industries or use cases. For example, an AI chatbot designed specifically for customer service in the healthcare industry would need to have a different set of responses and knowledge than one designed for e-commerce support. By focusing on creating specialized AI chatbots, companies can ensure that their chatbots are better equipped to handle complex inquiries and provide accurate information. In conclusion, while the negative feedback towards Snapchat's My AI feature is certainly concerning for the company, it also highlights larger issues surrounding the limitations and potential consequences of AI chatbots. As AI technology continues to advance, it will be important for companies to strike a balance between automation and human support, and to design chatbots that are both accurate and useful for their intended audiences. Only then can we reap the benefits of AI chatbots without sacrificing the human touch that is essential for great customer experiences.